Hey everybody, welcome back for another car wash video. Today I am in Brantford, Ontario, and here to review another valet car wash. Trying to figure out and see which is the best. So this one here, this is actually the newest valet car wash. It was built last summer, and the Cambridge one that I reviewed, which is actually my favorite one so far, is the oldest. It was the very first valet car wash, and it's probably why it's the only one so far that isn't using the Sunny's system and that. So I'm going to assume this one here is a Sunny system as well. This is located right on Linden Road here in Brantford, and it's in just kind of tucked in behind these plazas. The Coco's grocery store here, and there's a Chinese buffet, but it's a little bit hidden, but they got a good they have a sign. I thought they had a sign out front here by the road, but now I'm not seeing it. Oh yeah, there it is back there, just a little one. So today it's going to be a good test too. We're testing the newest valet car wash and the dirtiest my car has been for these valet reviews. So you can see the window is extremely dirty. I even have some ice and that on the window, so we'll see if it's good at taking those off. Even my side windows and everything all around. You can see how dirty it is, and when I get outside, you'll see how dirty the car is. It's really, really dirty. The roads have been kind of wet and mucky in that the last few days. That's why I haven't reviewed this one till now. Just haven't got a decent day to do it. I don't want it to be snowing and messy outside, because then when I'm done the car wash, when I get out and look at it, we can't really accurately see how well the dryers did or anything else. So anyways, I'll get out and we'll have a look. So you can see the vehicle is extremely dirty. Dirt goes right up over the windows. It's almost like a two-tone brown at the bottom. Very, very dirty. The back, I can only see a little bit of the back window. It's so dirty. So yeah, this should be a good test. Oh, there's even a bird dropping there on the hood, so we'll see if it gets that off too. Like, look, you can't even see my license plate. My headlights are covered. There's even a bit of frost, a little bit of snow in that on the hood. So we'll see if it gets that off. So I don't know if Cambridge is the only one that offers the kind of that hands-on detail, like at the end where they did well, aside from the towel dry, but even where they wiped down the rims, did the tire dressing, everything, like that was just such a good value. I mean, they were the very first ones to they were the very first location, and they offer more than so far any of the other ones that we've done. I'm just putting on my clamp here on the dash for my phone here, so we're gonna go and check this out. So I'm gonna get the best we can. Just if it's like the last two that we did, the the Guelph and Kitchener, where all they offer is the towel dry for, what was it, like $7 or something. I'm not gonna get that. Now, if it was $7 more and they were gonna do a towel dry and tire dressing and the rim wipe down and all that type of stuff, then I'd probably get it. It would still be more money than what Cambridge did, but yeah, if they don't, if all they're going to offer is the towel dry, then I won't do it. But we'll definitely be able to compare it to the Guelph and the Guelph and Kitchener ones. So, all right. Let's get my card ready. They really redid this plaza and that, where that Lococo's grocery store and that. It used to be a furniture store and had a few little kind of hurting businesses. And then it was vacant for quite a while. They couldn't seem to get it leased out, and then they redid the whole plaza, put new stucco all on the outside, and revamped the whole thing. And now they're able to get a bunch of new businesses in, and it's they turned it around, so it was good to see. So right there you can see the unlimited monthly wash passes. So it looks like $19.99 a month for the top wash. Actually, I'll take his off of this here. And we can look at the machine here.
Please wait while we verify your membership.
Yeah.
Welcome to our car wash. Please select an option. If you'd like an interior cleaning, please select full service wash. Otherwise, select exterior wash. Please select the car wash by pressing one of the service buttons on the screen.
Get the best.
Please select an upgrade. If you do not want an upgrade, press no upgrade.
So they're not showing, it's all interior upgrades.
Please select the payment method or insert bills into the
Pay
billing.
by credit.
Please insert your card.
Okay.
We'll insert your card into the payment pod or follow the instructions on the screen. You may also pay by using your contactless card or mobile phone with Apple Pay, Android Pay, or Google Wallet.
Approved.
You are now ready to pay.
Alright, the door just opened. And away we go. So yes, so far Cambridge is still the only one that's offering those extra. But they have when you get through to the end, it's a big opening at the end. They had those what was it, like 4 stations, I think, where you could park, and they could it was a bigger facility. This one here really doesn't have the ability to offer that, I guess. No room at the end. So this has got the Turtle Wax Pro, the fire and the ice and that. So it's going to have everything that the Kitchener one has. I'm really surprised though they don't have a little power washer here, especially in the winter time. Where they could go around the front and back and say, like, just get off a lot of the bulk dirt, or especially winter time you got chunks of snow or ice on the vehicle and that. But I'm really surprised they don't do that. Alright. Oh, very heavy coverage. The brush is going down the sides. use of the LED lights. Well, I'm going to push my one mirror a little bit. Well, I'm going to expect the dryers to have done a pretty good job. They felt powerful like the Kitchener one. It was definitely moving. It was really loud and it was moving my wiper blades around and that. So good power there. I'm just going to go back over to where I was and have a look around. Yeah, they got 2 lanes. Looks like they stay fairly busy, especially here in the winter. Gotta try to avoid these speed bumps. Nice wall of snow from where the plows have snow plowed the parking lot here. All right, let's see how it did. Fix my mirror. Well, big difference. Wheels are clean. A little bit of soap there, but it's not all that uncommon with this vehicle. Did the back really good around the license plate and that. Tail lights are good. Even up on the roof and that it looks. Yeah, still left soap and stuff in there. Didn't do quite as good a job as the Kitchener one. It could be because of the rinse or the dryers, combination of both, who knows. But aside from that, just a little bit of the aside from just a bit of the soaping left in the tracks there, it did a really good job. The vehicle is very dirty. It's the dirtiest it has been for any of these Valet reviews, and it did a really good job cleaning it. And the vehicle's mostly dry too, so the dryers did excellent. So yeah, it's this one is right on par with Kitchener. So it's just kind of a toss-up between those two. I will say the coverage was really good at the beginning. The turtle wax fire, the red foam, and that was put down. So yeah, I don't know. You can pick and choose which one between this one and Kitchener. Like for me, which is better. They're both pretty equal to me. So Cambridge is still #1 in my books. And yeah, so that's one, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4 we've done so far, and I think there's 4 left. Well, there's another one in Guelph that I want to go back and do. Different one there. But yeah, other than that, then there's 2 in Mississauga, 1 in St. Catharines, and 1 in Chatham. So we're about halfway through these, and hopefully I can get them done in a timely manner so we can compare them better. Hope you enjoyed this one. Let me know how they're ranking so far to you. Which is your first favorite down to your least so far out of the 4 we've done so far. Alright, and hopefully we'll see you soon for another review. Okay, thanks for watching, and again, don't forget to follow me on Twitter or Instagram so you can find out when my next review is going to be. I post it, notify everyone there first, so you'll be the first to know. And yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.